reflecting to Q1 goals. And why this is important is because what I'm seeing is that it's good that at the beginning of the year, you're creating your own goals, you're creating your own plans, and you're creating all those things that are something that you want to achieve. However, now that I'm looking back, most of the time, what is happening is that we are so prone to, yes, let's do that. Yes, let's achieve that. Let's increase our business by 50%. Let's move to a new apartment. Let's create this additional business. Let's hire 5 more teammates. And then while all those things are great, what I'm noticing is that most of the time, if you're a business owner, what you're going to lack is a sense of being realistic when it comes down to actually how much time is it going to require on your end until you are going to be good at it. Someone on your team who you're supposed to either delegate, either train. And realistically, we are never counting for the times that things can go wrong. And why am I telling you that realistically is because it's real. Right? I always thought that just because I'm pregnant, I still can achieve everything until a baby tapping on my heart and says, no, stop. I am the one who's controlling your breathing and you cannot talk this fast anymore and you cannot talk why you want to anymore. So all those things, again, they might be new, but I should have considered them. And those are the small things that I'm talking about that are going to become blockers, even if you plan the best way. These 3 things: how much time do you require to become good in a skill? How much time does someone on your team require to be good at the skill? And then third, what are the things that right now you're not seeing, not planning for, and then you're setting yourself up for disappointment because you assume that I have this quarter, I must get to whatever desired outcome it was there because I must. I just want to be as realistic as possible with you. Sometimes, even if you're doing your best, things are not going to go your way, and that is completely fine, and you should be accounting for it. Because if you are not, what you're going to end up with, 1, disappointment. You're going to be disappointed either in yourself, either in your teammates, either in the things that are happening to you and you have to navigate through. But I think the most important thing is that if you're not realistic about what actually is going to take and what you have to be okay with, you're always going to be frustrated because you're going to highly likely scroll on social media, see how this other competitor of yours, they achieved whatever they wanted to achieve, or so they say on the social media. It's really important. I want to share it with you because I am 100% sure I'm not the only one who's dealing with this right now. And I know that while I did my best in everything what I've done, if you're a high performer, you just like, yes, Noemi, I got you. With everything what is given to you, things might still not go the way how you want it, and you have to be okay with that. And you have to count on that the next quarter when you're going to continue implementing your goals.